Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Sorry about the delay. We're United Indonesia Movement, and we stand for the ideas of Polynesia, Micronesia, and Melanesia combined, but we acknowledge Your Majesty for allowing us the opportunity to be here to show a story that's personal to not only Tongan culture, but also to Samoan culture. So here tonight, we are here to present to you the story of Uno Sanone. A long time ago in the Pacific, there was a story so profound, so mythical and extraordinary, that even to this day, the story is still remembered. The story is the origin of Tonga's most important traditional map. Although many might tell you what happened during a fateful time in history, we will take you back to the beginning of the journey, to where it all began. This is the mythical story of the Uno Sanone. Once upon a time, there was a man called Lekapai. He was a Samoan man, and he was a good man. He would always look after his family, his village, and also his farm. Until one day, everything changed. There was a storm that ravaged Lekapai's village. Is everyone okay? Lekapai's wife. Yes, we are all okay, but look at all our gardens have been destroyed. This is the third year in a row that storms have ravaged our home. Don't worry, darling. I will find a way to stop this. I will venture out to the south because that is where the wind is coming from, and I will stop this. I need to put a stop to this. Lekapai's wife. Please don't go. What happens if you get lost in the sea? What happens if the winds are too strong and you die? Who will be here for our family? You are the reason why I have to go and stop the winds, or else it will never stop until we are all destroyed. Lekapai's wife. But please return safely. Please take care. Lekapai then voyages out to the sea so that he can find a storm and stop it once and for all. Party. Lekapai then stumbled upon a mysterious strange rock in the middle of the ocean. He found more than what he was looking for.
Wow. Oh, sorry, excuse me. I always hear about stories about Tonga, about this beautiful, lovely lady. And her name is Hina. That wouldn't be you by any chance, would it?
I'm the Hina that you speak of. But these stories, I'm not sure if they're very flattering to me or not.
Great stories, beautiful stories, and it's true. You are beautiful. Wow. Oh, shucks. I forgot. My name is Lekapai. I traveled all the way here from Samoa in search of the wind and the storm. For they have destroyed my plantation, and my family and people are in despair due to what they have caused.
Well, these winds, these hurricanes that you speak of, happen to be my children. Do you want to speak to them?
Oh, yes,
Children! Children!
Yes, mother.
I think they changed
Well,
my mind. What do you
man,
want?
Nekapai, has traveled far from Samoa, saying that your hurricanes and winds have destroyed his plantation.
This
Do you have something to say to him?
Hina, help me! Help me!
Stop!
Stop your kids!
Stop it
Hina.
right now!
Okay, how it? Hina! Sorry. No, my canoe is now destroyed. There is no other way of me getting home. Please, forget the reason why I came here in the first place. Is there any way you can help me get home to my family and people?
Well, there's only one way I can help you, Nekapai. And that's through my mom, Sangone.
Oh, thank you.
Sangone!
Thank you.
Sangone!
Yes, dear.
Oh. Wow. This is my mother, Sangone, Nekapai.
Your mom's a turtle,
Well, she certainly is.
Yes, I'm a turtle. What is it?
and she can talk.
She can certainly speak.
She has hands.
Yes, I have hands.
Well, mother, this man, Nekapai, has traveled far from Samoa. Can you please return him back to his homeland?
You want me to take this 50 all the way back to Samoa?
I
Well,
may not speak your language, but I still understand what you said.
Oh, sorry, it's not water.
well, can you please take him back?
I can't take this thing back.
I'm sorry, but how
This
is
person-
this thing,
My
small
mother-
thing, this small turtle gonna take me all the way to Samoa?
She'll find a way, right, Mom?
I'll try my best, dear.
Well, here's a coconut for your travels.
Okay, I trust your judgment.
Thank you, dear.
How are we gonna do this?
We'll just don't wreck my shell.
I think that's gonna be hard.
Yes. Don't break it.
Okay,
Are you ready? Hop on.
ready?
Ooh. Ready? Just keep swimming. Keep swimming.
Please,
Keep swimming.
your voice is
Just
annoying.
keep- What song?
Stop singing.
Then what song do you want me to sing?
How about if you stop singing, we'll get there
Roll,
inside.
roll, roll your boat gently down the sea.
Maybe if I drink a
roll,
coconut,
roll,
it will
roll
better.
your boat gently down the sea.
Or better yet,
Roll, roll, roll your
peace at last.
Despite Hina's kind gesture and advice, Lekapai accidentally kills the mystical Sangone that only helped him. Lekapai's wife. Lekapai, you're back! Everybody, Lekapai is back! I really missed you! Yes, I'm back! It is very good to see everyone. Call the rest of the village. I have a turtle to... Have you stopped the wind, Lekapai? No, I did not manage to, my dear. But I did stumble upon this great turtle for all of us to eat. Now bring everybody. Knowing what he had did wrong, Lekapai decided to bury and hide the shell of the mystical salmon. Who goes here? Show yourself. It is me, Lafai Bana. What are you doing? What is that? What are you doing here? You are not supposed to be here. Why not? What's so important about that turtle shell? This is not any ordinary turtle shell. You should not have seen this. From now on, I shall curse you that if you ever show anyone the whereabouts of this grave, you will definitely die. Your curse, you will live forever and not die until this turtle shell has been found. After burying the shell of the mystical Sangone, that very night, Hina and the storm came and took Lekapai away. Many years later, in the kingdom of Tonga. Welcome everyone. I have heard that there is news you want to share with me. We have heard the news that the turtle shell of the ancient Sangonde has been found in Samoa, Your Majesty. My brother, please go and find the shell, see where it is, and bring it back to Dama. Hold on. There is one thing you need to know before you go and find this. There are a set of riddles in the old language of Samoa that only the men of old can understand. Go to this village, speak the riddles, and of all those who are present, there will be somebody who will be able to decipher this riddle. He is the one that can show you where the Samoan is. He is the only one. Therefore, Tuitauatui commanded his brother Fasiapure and his greatest men to set voyage to Samoa to retrieve the mystical shell of Samoa. Welcome. I see you have come here to Samoa for something. Yes, we are here to retrieve the ancient shell of Samoa. I'm not quite sure where that is, and I'm not sure if I can help you either. Please, you must help me. My brother Tuitauatui has sent me here. If there's anything, please, help me solve these riddles. I know for sure that there is someone here that can solve these riddles. Gava spitting from Samoa were all answered in call. State this, clapped with cupped hands, it gives dust. And bunch fainting alone in the bush. This leaf that screeches and whistles, and then singing winds. Belong to it, growling and lying down, in the sharing of the royal toast of the congregation. What is this guy? I don't know. Is there anyone else here? Over and over, the men of the village tried and solved the riddles of Fasiapule. In the end, only one man was summoned, and he knew all the answers of the riddles. That man was the old Lafaipa. So you are the great Lafaipa. We thank you for solving our riddles. Please show us where the Samoan is. You cannot. Why not? Because if you do, you will certainly die. I don't care who you are, where you came from, but you cannot do this, son. Son, please stop. It's alright. I'll show them where the Samoan is. This is my only chance to be able to rest in peace. Now we know that you are the rightful owner of the Samoan. Lafaipa then showed Fasiapule the way to the mystical shell of Samoa. He knew that will ultimately lead to his death. However, it was a treasure for others, but as a way of peace for himself. to the great sacrifice of Lafayette. This is the story of how Tonga receives its most important traditional man. And this is the story of the Una Osamane.
Kapag kaliana, e tau ki one, e kaliana, e tau ki one. Marere kia makahoko, maruka ki mga yesiangahu. Marere kia makahoko, maruka ki mga yesiangahu. Kai ka moana sene fotu, whakahake hake I whanua motu. Lolongo manu I rakau kapo, no o I hamelu morko katapu. Koe ola e oko ulau, mai anai oe whekau. Tau tui whala hola e te hopo, e kua kakai e waha a koro. E kua kakai e waha a koro. Kai ka hoa na sene fotu, whakahake hake I whanua motu. Lolongo manu I rakau tapu, no o I hamelu mai ko katapu. Oe ola e oko ulau, whai anga ia oe whekau. Tau tui whala hola e ne hopo, he kua kakai e maha a koro. He kua kakai e maha a koro.
Ora mamaro ke nai lesi na mome o mai no va. Na wa tu ai sana de mo e singoia o uno o sa mo. Ora que no va.